Okay, we're simplifying these, and essentially what we're doing is we are combining like terms. So for this first one, number 30, we've got 4w minus 5 plus 9w plus 2. And you can kind of visually see, because of the way that they stack them vertically, that we are adding together the w terms. 4w and 9w is 13w, and negative 5 plus 2 is negative 3. So 13w minus 3 is the result of this. Here, they're not stacking them vertically, but what you can see, I'm on 33 now, what you can see is we've got x squared terms here. And so the question is, how many x squared terms do we have? Well, we've got 5 in the left binomial and 15 in the right-hand binomial. And 5 and 15 together makes 20 of them. And what are they? They are x squared terms. They stay x squared terms. Okay? And then we don't have any x terms, we just have the constants. We have 3 on the left-hand binomial and 2 on the right-hand binomial. And 3 plus 2 is 5. And that's what you get. So that is our answer for 30. That is our answer for 33. Easy peasy.